Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in TATMAN, North Dakota, where on May 20th, 2020 at 12:08 a.m., Minot Central Dispatch reported a gray 2003 Honda Odyssey with Minnesota plates off the road and in a slough. A Ward County Sheriff's Department deputy located the vehicle on the corner of 128th Ave Northeast and 42nd Street Northeast and approached the suspect as his investigation begins.
Sir! Sir, can you hear me?
Survival. For some children, it's their only wish.
Sir! Sir, can you hear me? Hey, wake up, bud. Wake up! Sheriff's office, need you to wake up. Are you Covington? 10-4. 54, are you en route? Sir! Need you to wake up, buddy! Are you Covington? Hey, wake up! Need you to wake up for me! It's the sheriff's office! What are you doing here, bud? What happened? Are you Covington?
Yeah.
Yeah? What happened to your vehicle, man? You crashed.
Where?
Right here where you're at. You're in a slough. What happened, man? Look down. You're in the water. Center 4760. That got him away. This lady is Covington. Are you hurt at all, man? Anything hurt?
No.
No? Do you know what happened? How you got in the water? How did your van get in the water, man? You don't know? Okay, do you have your ID on you, man? Insurance and registration for the van? No? Where are your shoes at? You're wearing socks. You got sandals down there underneath your... What happened, Covington? How did you get here, bud? Do you remember crashing your van?
I didn't crash.
You didn't crash? You're backed into a slough, man. What happened? How did you get here? You know how your vehicle got in the water? Just gonna take these out of your pocket, okay? You able to put some shoes on and step out of the vehicle? Actually, just hold tight there for a minute, okay? Just sit in your vehicle for a second. You got your ID on you, man?
Yep.
Can you grab it out for me? Do you know where the registration and insurance is for the vehicle, Covington?
No.
No? Is the vehicle insured?
Yeah.
Yeah? Whose vehicle is it?
My buddy Mike.
Your buddy Mike? Do you know where the registration card is for the vehicle?
Oh.
This deputy here is going to talk to you real quick, okay?
Yep.
Deputy, I just found him here and opened the door and woke him up, and this is where we're at so far. There's some beer cans in the back there I can see through the window.
Okay.
Mr. Covington was pretty hard to wake up. He seems kind of out of it, so...
Okay. Mr. Covington, can you step out of the vehicle for me?
Yeah.
Watch the water there.
Try to pull in that water and walk this way.
Yep, come over it, come up the hill here. Easy. Come on up to the car. Mr. Covington, you mind doing some tests for me? willing to do test or no?
What do you want to do?
We'll do the walk and turn, one leg stand, and horizontal gaze and nystagmus. So you want to do this test for me?
No.
Okay.
Do you have any knives or something in your pockets, anything like that? Probably in your pockets. You might put your pockets or can you use for that?
I took a box and put it off already, but I didn't take it. Go ahead.
Okay.
You good with that? Okay.
All right, Mr. Covenant, read this to you quick. The officer shall inform the individual North Dakota law requires the individual to take a screen test to determine whether the individual is under the influence of alcohol. Refusal of that individual to submit to a screen test may result in revocation of at least 180 days up to 3 years of individual's driving privilege. Do you consent to take a screen test I'm requesting?
What?
A screen test. Are you a breathalyzer? Are you willing to give me a breathalyzer test? For alcohol. So I can smell alcohol in your person right now.
You want one?
That's what I'm asking for, yes.
You want one?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead and turn and put your hands behind your back.
No. Okay, I just want to make sure there's nobody else that walked in or needs attention or medical attention.
Where are you coming from tonight, sir? So right now you're being placed under arrest for refusal. Okay? You have the right to remain silent and say can't leave the court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you can't afford an attorney, won't be provided for you. You understand the Miranda warning?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you coming from tonight? Easy. Easy. Where are you coming from
What do
tonight?
I got to do to get out?
What do you got to do what?
Get out of jail.
Well, right now you're under arrest for DUI refusal. That's for the refusal to take a screen test.
Okay?
Okay?
Yep.
I did for a screen test. Oh,
The vehicle still has the keys on the on position.
I got... Where?
In your vehicle that you're driving, the keys are still in the on position.
I don't have keys.
Don't have keys?
Nope.
Does the vehicle take keys to start? Listen to him real quick, and we'll move on to your vehicle next.
Listen to me. Law enforcement officers shall inform the individual that North Dakota law requires the individual to take a chemical test to determine whether the individual under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and refusal of an individual to submit to a test directed by a law enforcement officer may result in revocation of individual's driving
Yeah, you're
privileges
talking to yourself. I
for a
don't have
minimum of 180 days and up to 3 years. Do you consent to take
Where?
a chemical test?
Where are the keys?
Do you consent to take a chemical
Where are the
test?
keys?
Covington, the question right now is will you consent to this
Covington,
test?
what?
Will you
Bring me
consent?
to jail. I don't have the keys.
Sounds good?
Let's go.
Walk this way. Did you guys do a search
What
yet?
do I gotta do to get out of jail?
First, turn towards the car. Covington, I ain't playing this game with you. You got it?
Oh, what game? Oh, that?
Don't pull away again.
Go away from one. Oh.
Thank you.
Stop it, you kid! Really? Oh. Feel tough. How much tougher can you feel? They got some get that, huh? It's enough what? What? You want help? Oh. Stuff me in here.
Put your feet in. Others are just going to lie in.
Man, shut up and let me sit. Sick.
Watch your foot. Put your feet in.
Why you give me a minute?
What's up?
Community's on the way. You want 1022?
Yeah, I think he's fine. He's highly intoxicated.
2760.
I don't even.
Do you have community 10?
Don't hit the window. You're gonna get hogtied. You hit the window.
Hogtied.
Or hobbled.
Oh, hobbled.
Don't hit the windows.
Maybe I can get you to open the door to give me a minute. What? Shut the door. Bring me to jail.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Don't hit the windows.
Get with it.
Take care of this. I think. Yeah. I don't even. Is a blood warrant gonna? He's gonna be.
You can get a search warrant if you want. Bring him to jail, drop him off, and if you want, go for the search warrant because he was found passed out in a motor vehicle accident, technically.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So you have more than enough for that. Just he's gonna be really high.
The radio
so,
and stuff's on, so whether there's keys in it or not, there's power to it.
I mean, I can. His
beyond that point.
alcohol.
Right, and it's
Motor vehicle accident. He's in the
I literally shook him hard.
Yeah.
And he's gone. Like
10-0, obviously, for being aggressive law enforcement. I don't know if you guys dealt with him or not before, but
he breaks my window, I'm gonna be unhappy. Let's just hobble one.
You got one or you need one?
I got one. Somewhere.
What?
Had one. Just get him out before he breaks my window.
Come on, guys.
Stop hitting it.
No, you guys are standing around. Let's go. What?
okay. Well, right now you're gonna be hobbled because you already been warned to stop hitting the window.
I'm gonna be hobbled.
Yep.
Hobbled.
It means your feet are gonna get tied up and they're gonna get tied to the back of your hands. And you're gonna be laying
For
down
what?
in the
I'm
back seat.
sitting here.
You've been told not to hit the window. Twice. You keep hitting it.
Good. Yeah. Just go ahead and keep sitting right there. Put your feet out.
Oh. Here we go.
Let's stand up.
Stand up.
For what? You said I'm hobbled. Here, I'm hobbled. Come on, guys.
Why don't you stand up?
Why you hobble me?
Really? Go ahead and stand up.
Get on this side right here. I think
I'm already taking.
Stand straight up.
Try to stand up.
Come.
There you go.
Alright, go ahead.
Let's see. Really, guys?
You've been warned.
I've been warned about what? Where the
Stop hitting the window.
Let's go. Skinner, good dog.
While the suspect was being secured in the patrol vehicle by one of the deputies, the arresting deputy searched the vehicle in question. The deputy found open beer cans and a screwdriver in lieu of keys to operate the vehicle. While the search was being conducted, the suspect continued to hit his head against the window of the patrol vehicle and further restraint was needed.
His ankles?
Pull him over to the other side.
Okay.
From the other side way, and we'll just.
You want his head on that side?
Yep. We'll seatbelt him into the seat.
Cool.
I just don't want to kick him if I don't.
Nope. Long ride back. Come on, lay down, man. It's more comfortable for you. There you go. I don't know, brother.
You good like that?
No, what do you want?
I want you to stop hitting your head on the window is what we want.
So if you keep hitting it, we're just going to restrain you down to the seat. Just
Your next step is belly down on the seat with your ankles up to your wrist.
Go.
The window, we're not going anywhere.
I'm tied. What the you guys want?
For you to stop hitting the window.
Well, I want to go.
What's your rush? You weren't going anywhere earlier.
What are we doing?
We got to take care of your car. We got to make sure that stuff's good, and then you're going to be on your way. You got to stop it
Gonna go.
to the impound lot.
You guys, you're not.
No insurance, no seatbelt. DUI.
I'll take care of this.
Following the arrest, the suspect Covington was charged with driving under revocation alcohol-related, care required in operating vehicle, open container, driving without insurance, and refusal to submit to chemical test, second offense in 7 years. On January 5th, 2021, 7 months and 16 days after the arrest, the suspect pled guilty to the single count of refusal to submit. Between all the offenses, the suspect was ordered to pay a total of $2,315. This amount has been paid in full. Covington was sentenced to 30 days in jail with 2 days jail credit, unsupervised probation for 360 days, ordered to participate in a chemical dependency evaluation, and attend a victim impact panel.
I'll open this door for us so you can get some air.
Oh, is that what it was?
I mean, I can shut it too if you want.
Shut the thing. Am I already gonna sue you?
Okay.
Yeah. How I get out of here?
We're going to take you out in just a few minutes. Sit tight.
Where do you take me?
Going to jail, man.
For?
DUI refusal.
Didn't refuse anything.
Don't stop right there, man. Don't fall over. Just stand right there. Don't. Just stay right where you're at.
Never.
We'll take you out of this. The CO's are going to have to come get you out. They're going to take you into booking. You can just stay right there.